Okay, hello everyone. This is the 230 Tornado engine. We're getting back to rebuilding it so we can prepare for the J3000 truck, reinstalling back into the truck there. It's an odd engine. There's not very many out there anymore. Some people really liked it, some people really hated it. Some people said there were huge major flaws. Others said it was one of the most beautiful engines out there in its time. But either way, it is quite the unique engine. This video is going to be about the timing of this engine. So here we have the camshaft sprocket, here we have the crankshaft sprocket. Here is the keyway of the crankshaft, and here is the dowel of the camshaft sprocket. You're going to be lining up the dowel pointing straight down and the crankshaft keyway pointing straight up. The dowel here corresponds with the lobe of the first cylinder, and you want that pointing straight down. That is when the piston should be at top dead center, right on the compression stroke. So that's where it's supposed to be. Between here and here, lining them up, you're going to be good. There is a little dot on the camshaft sprocket. We're going to look at it right now. That dot right there. So this is the dowel I was talking about, pointing straight down towards the keyway of the crankshaft. All right. Additionally, there is a mark here that is made on the crankshaft sprocket, and then you have all of the rest of the chain between this dot and there. You know, on the plate, you've got, it says right there, 32 links. So you've got to have 16 of these guys, so one all the way down to 16, and that would be a total of 32 links. So when you line it up here pointing straight down, then you count all of your links, and this is pointing straight up, you're going to be timed for this engine. All right, quite the unique engine here. Pretty cool, eh?